Polly and Nina here from Property Brokers. We're really proud to bring 81 Balrickard Way to the market. Look, we're located in mighty Milson here.
Yes, mighty Milson.
God, such a popular location, eh? You've got great schools and parks and close to the hospital and shopping centre and everything.
Airport.
Yep.
And an easy commute to Feiliding. But not only great location, great house. Brick, aluminium, double glazed, 3 big bedrooms, ensuite, double internal access garage. Ticking a lot of boxes. I'm a big fan of a wood burner, got one of those, and a heat pump for those lazier days.
Yeah, for
but
sure.
anyhow, on the whole, it's a fantastic house and you need to come and have a look.
Absolutely. There's so many perks happening for this home. I'm going to put the jug on. You can show them around.
Oh, we'll go for a wander then.
Okay.
Come with me. Now that Nina's finally made me my coffee and I'm nice and relaxed, I realise I forgot to tell you about this outdoor area, you know? Great for entertaining, got some shade, got some zip things with a clear glass, and so you can be open and enjoy it, or you can just relax on a cool evening too.
Yeah, absolutely. It's such a neat spot. Look, come along to the open home or give us a call and we'll be happy to take you through for a private viewing. We're Polly and Nina and we're the PNN in Palmerston North Real Estate.